This is what Wisconsin Avenue looks like at this hour. Don't know why, don't know anything, but I don't know. It's weird coming from a place where there's no traffic to 2:30 in the morning and people are still out and about. Anyways, um, this has been a wonderful and difficult week, and that's the whole thing about being forged in fire, I suppose. You just sometimes the steel doesn't come out right, and you have to start over again and do what you can to harden it so it can become what you want it to be, what it needs to be. And it's cold too, and windy. But anyway, it's the journey. It's the journey, and I'm embracing it. There's like literal traffic, like serious actual traffic. I have been out of the city too long when I'm surprised by traffic 2:30 in the morning. Nonetheless, I hope you guys are somewhere getting some really, really good sleep, or if you're at work, I hope your shift is going well, or even if you're up for whatever reason, I hope all is well. I am going to try to be smart and get myself back inside because it's really a dumb idea to be out here at this hour. So, anyway, I hope we get to talk again. Lord's willing, I will catch up with you tomorrow with the ongoing adventures of Chris and her reclaiming her health over many life domains. Yep, that's it. Deuces.